Alright, in this video we're going to look at how to get the music artist information from the Last.fm API, and we're going to use this directly in KLWP, and I imagine you could do this in KWGT or KLWP as well. I did a video a while back on this, except I did not use the API and I did not use a custom app. I used Tasker to get that information. The request here was to do pretty much the same thing but use just the custom app. So here's a few examples. Wolf Mother, it's pulling the artist information. I'll do a few more as well. Let's try Muse. So now it's pulling that information. And then for some groups where we have an apostrophe like Jane's Addiction, it'll still pull that information. Now, depending on what artist you have, you may have to do some regex to adjust the name or whatnot. But for now, everything's working pretty good for me. There are some artists that I have on my Spotify account where there is no bio for that particular artist, so it'll be blank. For example, my son, he likes to listen to Blippi. I don't think we're going to find artist information on Blippi. So we're going to see, sometimes this right here. And if you notice that back in all of the other artist bios that we saw here, the summaries, you can quickly get rid of that with a little bit of regex. And I've discussed regex in numerous tutorials that I've done. So feel free to search my channel for regex tutorials. So first things first, you want to go over to last.fm/API. You want to get an API account. You can read the documentation. I'm going to show you some of the basics, and you don't necessarily have to join the API group. So when you click on get an API account, you're going to have to fill out some information, and then it's going to give you an API key, and I think like a shared key or something like that. Make sure you take a picture, write it down or something, because I don't think you can access that API key again. I just save my page as a PDF, and that way I can access it whenever I need it. And back on this API page, the request I got was to get some artist information. So I'm going to do this artist.getInfo, and they give you a sample of what you should be doing for your URL, whether you want JSON or XML. I chose the JavaScript object notation, so if you click on that link, it's going to give you an error first of all. And the only thing we want to change here in KLWP is right here for the artist equals, we want to use a custom function for the artist name, and then you want to put your API key right there. And that will give you some artist information. So here's a sample right here where I have the artist equals, and then I have the artist name, and then the API key, that's where you'll put your API key. So it does give you some images for the artist, but if we scroll down to the bottom of this, this is where we can get the bio and the summary, and that's what I'm pulling. So let me show you how to do that. But since I'm inside of this JSON object here, I'm going to close a few of these. I'm going to close the image, close the stats, close the similar, close the tags, and here's the bio, and then we want to get the summary. So I'm just going to pull back up Wolf Mother for the sake of this video to show you that this text that we have here is this text that we have right over here. Now this is a free component. You can find this in my free components folder, and that component will be titled Music Artist Info Last.fm. This component may look familiar. I did a circle indicator tutorial a while back. I basically just imported that, and I added this text on top of this blurred out image background for the music artist. So inside of this music artist component, I'm just navigating through where I have this, and I have this text right there. And we are doing a web get. I have a global variable for URL. I'll show you that right here in a moment. Comma JSON, comma dot artist dot bio dot summary. So basically what we're doing there is we're starting on this artist here, and then we're dialing down into the bio because the bio sits inside of this artist piece. And then inside of bio, we're diving down into the summary. That's what that .artist.bio.summary does. Now you'll need to resize your text or wherever you want to put it, obviously. And then heading back into the globals of this component, if we come down to the bottom here, this is the URL. Don't worry about these other globals. That was from the component that I made a while back. But this URL, this text global, this is that same URL that I mentioned a moment ago, where you're going to put the music artist code, the custom code for music artist. That's going to come after that artist equals, and then the API key, you want to copy and paste your API key right there. So basically it's going to be API underscore key equals, and then your API key followed by the and symbol. And in this case, we're doing the format equals JSON. You could do XML as well. but you have to navigate the XML a little bit different than the JSON. So now if I check this, it's going to take away that text that we just saw because my API key is no longer found. But yeah, there you have it. That is how you can get the music artist information. And obviously there are tons of other things that we can get using this API, but I just wanted to show you that one. And you would use similar techniques to access that other information as well. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped.